In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to upgrade your Puregym membership. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Upgrading or even downgrading your Puregym membership is a process that you can do on their website after you sign into your account and access the members area. So what you have to do is go to puregym.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone. Whichever method you choose is up to you. It comes down to personal preference, but I prefer doing this method on a PC. So like I said, you have to access your members area. This is best done by clicking the option to log in on the menu at the top of your screen, where you can input the credentials about your Puregym account, usually the email address and the PIN number. Like I said, this will give you access to the members area, where you can find the Your Gym category. Unfortunately, I cannot show you this full process on screen because I don't have a subscription active with Puregym, but as long as you go into the members area and you find your gym as you can see on screen, you will be able to choose from all of the currently available plans. It seems that as of today, the plans that they have are as follows: the off-peak, the core plan, and then the plus plan. Like I said in the beginning, you can upgrade or downgrade accordingly, and the membership price will be adjusted for you. You can manage this on your members area at any time when you go over to your gym. Make sure you choose the appropriate subscription, read through any terms or contracts that you might have to make, and as long as you choose the off-peak, core, or plus subscriptions, or any other type of subscriptions or memberships that they add in the future, you will be able to visit any Puregym location and have the new features and bonuses unlocked. Make sure that you choose it from here, and all the changes will be saved to your account primarily. The payment method that you have assigned to your account will receive the new payment price at the start of the next month. I hope I was able to help you on how to upgrade a Puregym membership. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.